Well, this is Jones's Mill, and as you can see, it's not exactly busy. That's the road down there over the railway bridge, and this little bit here is the car park, which is closed due to some strange virus. Now we'll continue down to the bottom of here. Well, that little path we were on ends in this gate, and then you come down to a bit more of an embankment down to the river. There's a lovely little seat there that you can sit on and gaze around. Oh, there's actually somebody around. That's a fairly rare thing. We're going to walk down this way down to the river. I'll record again in a minute. We've walked down that path, and now we're down at the river. And these lovely people have put a boardwalk along so that you don't get your feet in the nettles. Isn't it marvellous, eh? And over there you can see the river, but we'll see that up closer in a bit. So we're still on the boardwalk, but now we're right up next to the river, which lovely, isn't it? So we'll continue the walk. So we've come out the other gate, and you can see the seat up there now. So we'll go through. Oh. And we'll go this way. Just a little scan around. There's more that way. There's much more. You can walk right through there, and you can come out on a different route, and you can walk all the way up to the canal, in fact. Oh, sounds like someone else is coming. Hi. So we're approaching the edge of the field. It's quite a long walk actually, and when we get to the end here, we'll cross down into a footpath, which one way goes to the canal and the other way goes to another road. So yeah, we'll see that in a minute. So we've reached the end of the footpath, and don't remember what this place is called. It's got a little name, but I forget now. And yeah, that's the end of that road. We're now going to cross around here to the little crossing on the railway, and then we're back into Pewsey again. So that's the full walk really. So this is a bit where we really hope there isn't a train coming really fast. There's Pewsey station just along there, and yeah, this is down to the play area, which again is closed for some reason that I can't quite fathom. Something about a virus, but yeah, I'm sure someone knows what's going on. Anyway, we're back into Pewsey, and there's a short walk now down to the house.